So, as you've seen in the read aloud, today's biography is going to be over. Josephine Baker. Her quote is, "All my life I have maintained that the world can learn to live together in peace if they are not brought up in prejudice." Let's skip that, skip that. Here we go. Josephine Baker. Before she became a star, Frida McDonald was born in 1906. She would be known as Josephine Baker. Her father left her family when she was young. She grew up very poor. To support her family, Josephine began working when she was a kid. Josephine began dancing in the streets to try and earn money for her family. She was a beautiful dancer, and people noticed her talent. At 15, she left home and tried to begin her career as a dancer. She had a gift for dancing and hoped to be famous. New York to Paris. After Josephine left home, she changed her name to Josephine Baker. She moved to New York City. During this time, segregation was happening in America. Black and white people did not have the same rights. As a black performer, Josephine had a hard time getting jobs in clubs with white owners. She was told that her skin was too dark to be a major star. Josephine knew that she couldn't be a star in America, so she moved to Paris, France. She was known for her dancing and funny acting. Author Ernest Hemingway saw her perform. He called her the most sensational woman anyone ever saw. She had finally made her dreams come true. Her secret life. Josephine had found success in Paris, but World War II started in 1939. At one point during the war, Germany had invaded or taken over France. Josephine wanted to help the French army, but how could she help? She was a dancer. Josephine kept performing her shows, and often German military men would come to enjoy them. She would listen closely to their conversations. She would then use invisible ink to write down what she heard. She gave these notes to the French army. These notes helped to defeat the Germans. Why we remember her story. Josephine was a brave spy. She was also a talented entertainer. She was not given a chance in America due to the unjust laws. We remember her because she showed that women should be seen for their talent and not for the color of their skin. As a star, she used her fame to teach people in America about treating everyone equally. That's pretty awesome. She was a spy. All right, so we're going to skip over that for now. And we're going to move down here to learn a little bit more about Josephine.